Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2013 Audi A6. It's quite a straightforward reset on these, and they're all done through the centre panel there with your control panel down here. And all you need to do, select the car menu, which you can do with scrolling it, or you can just press the car menu there. But if you go into the car, and you can see service intervals there. It has gone straight into it, but sometimes it'll be on this. Just put the ignition on. Without the ignition on, you just want the ignition on stage 2 there, just so it puts all the lights on the dash there. Yeah, without the ignition on, it won't allow you to actually do the resets. So if you just scroll through, you've got the service intervals there, and you can just see it says next oil change in 2,800 miles there. Next service 1700. So if you scroll down, you can reset the oil change interval there. Scroll and select yes. Now that that's done, if you just go back into the menu, that's now all of the oil change interval there. This has been set by the diagnostic machine to quite a low interval, so that's why it's coming up with 3,100. But if you want to edit it or edit the actual service interval, that has got to be done by a diagnostic machine. But this simple reset will just take the oil light off if it's just flagging up for oil change due. I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.